In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up fingerprints on your smartphone. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10, but these settings should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So as you can see, my phone is unlocked and there is no security, there's no pattern, or there's no fingerprints. So to set up fingerprints on your smartphone, what you need to do is to go and look for the setting options. Then from here, scroll down until you get to passwords and security, or a closely related name depending on your smartphone. Go ahead and tap on it. And we have a number of security locks that you can choose from. For instance, we have screen lock, we have fingerprints, and we have face unlock. And in this case, we're interested in fingerprints. So go ahead and choose your preferred option, which is fingerprints. And here you'll have first to set your first locking system, which is either a pattern or pin or password. So I'll go ahead and set a pin. And then here, tap on got it. And then I'll enter my 4-digit pin. And then I'll also confirm it. And it is done. And now because the pin is set, I can go ahead and now set the fingerprints. For my smartphone, the fingerprint sensor is on the lock key. So I'll have to go and put my finger on the lock key to start setting my fingerprints. So you'll have to repeat the same process until the fingerprints is filled. And this you do just using one of the finger that you prefer to unlock your phone with. So repeat the process by tapping on it and releasing your finger until it is completely filled. And it is done. As you can see here, it is done. And you have an option here to add face. This is if you also want to unlock your phone using your face. For my case, I don't want, so I'll just cancel it and then tap on done. And the fingerprint is set. Anytime my phone goes off, to unlock it, I'll have to either to use my pin or to use my fingerprints to unlock it. So that's how you add fingerprints as security on your smartphone. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.